Hey everyone, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. Today I am going to swatch the Profusion Wanderlust palette. I have not, well, I've touched it a couple shades, but for the most part, I haven't touched this. So this is actually a blind swatching. I have no idea how these colors are going to turn out. This is the one Profusion palette I didn't buy myself, actually. This was part of one of the mega hauls that I get from Facebook once in a while. I was very surprised to see it, but also very happy about it, even though I have about a million other Profusion palettes. But anyway, Wanderlust is kind of like a hike through the woods kind of theme. You can see the browns and the greens. I'm very curious to see if these are going to look any different. They look exactly the same to me, but we'll see. A lot of the Profusion palettes come with a little brush, and it's a decent brush. I know nothing about it, like what kind of hair is in it and stuff, but I usually take them out of the palette and just put them in the little cup of brushes that I have. But yeah, knowing Profusion as well as I do, the shimmers are usually more stunning than the mattes. And there's a lot of shimmers in here. Wanderlust kind of also brings that magical kind of feel, you know, from the word. So I think that's maybe more some of the magical shades over here. Sorry about my nails, that's just how I am. I think I can fit 21 swatches on my arm, so wish me luck. Here we go. Alright, so starting with the top left, this color is called Illusion. Oh my god. Now I noticed touching this, it feels like a cream. There's something different about this one than the other Profusion palettes. The next one looks like a pale yellow. It's a matte. Jeez, it's not even coming out at all. See what I mean about the shimmers, like looking much better than the mattes? I don't know if it's a pale white or yellow or sheer or what, but it is not coming off. Compared to that one, holy moly, I was not prepared for that. This is Illusion, this is Tranquil, this next one is called Chill. Again, it feels like a cream. It's like a champagne color. I don't remember if I said this one is called Chill. I wonder if all of these across the top are just gonna be gel. Oh, this is even more amazing than I thought then. Yeah, they all feel the same, except that one matte, Tranquil. This is called Serious. Beautiful. It's a little bit of blue in this greenish color. This one's called Frosting. Very iridescent. Not as pigmented as this first one, but it does look whiter in the pan. It's coming out kind of like a pale blue sparkle. It's just gorgeous. This is called Gravity. Looks purple in the pan. It's almost duochrome here. It's like pinky blue. Might be more of a pink than a purple, I don't know. Last one on that row is called Love Story. It's like a reddish pink, I guess. Now I want them all to be shimmers. This is stunning. I had no idea these were going to be that stunning. Starting in the second row, this is called Majesty. Gorgeous, like greeny gold. This is like Elf Lord of the Rings kind of color. I don't know why, but that just came to my mind. Next one's called Hypnotic. Okay, a little more matte than the shimmer. It feels the same. It feels like a cream shimmer. But maybe it's just like less duochromy. Next one is straight up called Jade. It's a very like forest green metallic looking color. Wow, I really like, on the one hand I know I need to stop getting more makeup, but on the other hand I'm like, I had no idea this existed in such a gorgeous form, so I'm also looking for more. These shimmers just really feel different. I don't know why. Oh, these are going to be really, really pigmented. This one's called Stormy. Beautiful teal metallic. Splash is next. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow. Holy crap. The word I have for this is cerulean. I mean, look at the shimmer. It's just so stunning. This is Profusion, guys. This is like, what, like a $12 palette or less. The next one's called Regal. It's the only matte on this row. It's flaking a bit, but at least you can see it, unlike that other one. And then this is called Nimbus. Might just be because it's a pinky swatch, but it's a little bit, there we go. It's a reddish purple metallic, but it's got a little less red than that one. Does that make sense? Okay, I have 7 left. I decided to just put them on the top of my arm and maybe onto my hand so we could kind of like rotate. All right, we're just gonna see how this goes. Really interested to see what is up with these browns. The first one is called Coast. It's like a toasty reddish brown. My skin is already a little more tan from the summer, so it's gonna be a little harder, but these are all dark colors. This next one is called Statement. It looks a lot lighter on my finger. Yeah, it's the same color, but just a little lighter as the previous one. And then this one's called Nostalgia. Oh, okay, this one is swatching a lot darker. Still reddish and warm. I don't really see, like, they could have made one of those way darker, or there's no black in this palette. Like, I understand wanting to have brown instead of black for the theme, but those are all just, they are different technically, but they are remarkably similar. Next is a shimmer that might be a little creamy. It's called Cruise. Ooh, very pretty navy blue. There's like a little gray in it, I think. Same with this one. It looks in the pan. This one's called Enigma. Yeah, it is like a grayish blue. A little more streaky, but blendable. Blendable. So that Enigma is a matte. This one, Retro, is a matte. I thought this would come out darker. It's like a medium purple. That's really pretty. Pretty pigmented. I mean, the darker ones usually are with Profusion. And then this one's called Go Girl. This is the last one. And it is a bright pinky magenta color. Interesting last row here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous sparkles. Hopefully I'm in the shot. On the top 2 rows. And then some more muted. I guess you could put one of these shimmers on top of those browns. They're so similar. That's my only complaint about this palette. Plus this one that just doesn't turn out. But man, this delivered a lot more than I thought. This is the Wanderlust palette by Profusion. Oh my goodness. Now that I've swatched it, I can put it with like my regular collection, and I cannot wait to try out some of these shimmers. So thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see when more of these come out, or you can go check out our swatch playlist. We have probably dozens of Profusion palettes swatched at this point, but this might be one of my new favorites. So thanks so much for watching, and we will talk to you soon. Bye. Okay, really interesting. Am I recording? Yes, this is gonna be blind one way or another because I can't even see my arm in the camera when I'm sitting here, so wish me luck. I'm gonna try not to shake anything. Hike through the woods kind of hike through the woods kind of plan. Theme. The word I was looking for was theme, I think. I don't find many pinks and purples in the woods, but you know, blue. I don't know my colors today. Every time I swatch, it's like a different freaking system, and I hate it. I have to make these smaller, which is the story of my life. Oh, how am I gonna get these off my fingers to swatch the last row? I also don't know. Like, there's no way I'm gonna fit it, of course. I don't know if I like this plan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there's no way. So we're gonna have to do like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just go back. Wait a minute. How do I have all of them then? The probably dozens of Profusion swatch palettes that we have. Profusion palette. Let's hope that that worked.